Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Joe Shepard from Shepard Chiropractic. One of the questions I get asked all the time is what type of chiropractic adjustments do you do? Well, I went to Palmer College of Chiropractic in Davenport, Iowa, and I use Palmer Package is my main technique. I do a little bit of activator, Thompson drop, and upper cervical technique.
Hi, my name is Dr. Joe Shepard from Shepard Chiropractic. This is Flash Seb, getting his speed adjustment. Okay, buddy, on your belly for me. Activate superpowers. Good. Doing good. Here we go. Okay, let me back in there. Doing good. Oh yeah. Okay, we're gonna have you on your side first for me, please. Other side. Big hug here. Get this just a smidge. Perfect. Here we go.
Awesome.
Okay, all set? Okay, sir. Hi, Kayla.
Hello.
Okay, what do you say?
Oh my gosh.